premium. It may be a pistol.
The Littlest Shotgun. Movies can have a big impact. For instance, this skilled person copied the gun from a movie called Killing Them Softly to see if it could really work. It wasn't too hard to do. They just cut the gun's barrels to be about 3 inches long, and it turned into a very short shotgun. This made it easier to reload quickly, move faster, and knock back enemies. Some people joked in the comments that it might hurt your fingers or even rip them off. After making these changes, the gun can still shoot, although it might not be great for long-range shooting. GB-22M. One of the easiest guns in the world has only 4 pieces. Mark Serbu, a famous gun expert and the founder of Serbu Firearms USA, made it. It's made for a small .22 caliber bullet. It's cheap, costing just $12, and almost anyone can put it together at home. You don't even need to do any welding, and you can buy a wire for the spring. Many DIYers on the internet have already made a lot of these guns, each with a little difference in how they look. Serbu RN-50. Serbu Firearms has some other cool guns too. What do you think about this 50 BMG sniper rifle that was originally supposed to cost only $875? The reason it's so cheap is because it's a single-shot rifle. You can't shoot it rapidly, and to reload it you have to open up the gun, unscrew a part, and then take out the used bullet casing. It might sound a little complicated, but the company thought the low price would make up for this unusual feature of the rifle. However, nowadays it costs $1,600. Keltec SUB2000. The people who made this gun, called a carbine rifle, say that it's a special weapon. They say it's a mix of a carbine, a small rifle, and a pistol. Now let's check out what Keltec, a team from America known for coming up with unique solutions, has made. First, it's a gun that can be folded so it becomes shorter, only 29 inches long. Second, there are versions that can use Glock 17 magazines and shoot 40 SW bullets. Third, the gun itself without any bullets in it weighs about 4 pounds. So, what you get is a small rifle that you can get ready to shoot quickly, and you can easily carry it in a backpack. It costs at least $578, which is good for people who like to go backpacking. AF-2011A1, 2nd Century. Talking about the Colt M1911, this gun was created in 1908. Surprisingly, even today, the military and police still use it as their personal weapon. More than 4 million of these guns have been made and can be found all over the world, from Argentina to Japan. To celebrate this legendary pistol, the folks at Arsenal Firearms made a special version with 2 barrels. They only spent 6 months working on this version, and the end result is a gun that shoots 2 bullets at once. It uses 45 ACP bullets and can hold 16 rounds in its magazine, which is basically 2 regular 8-round magazines put together. However, this double-barreled version is a bit heavier, now weighing 4 pounds. It can fire 16 rounds in just 3 to 5 seconds, which is pretty quick. But all these cool features come at a cost. This special gun is now priced at around $6,500. Have you ever seen one of these weapons in person? Write in the comments what you think.
Go for it. Fire!